So, the real estate marketing company and a real estate marketing software company. How do you, as a real estate agent, understand or know the difference between a marketing company and a marketing software company, and how or which one should you be choosing today? Well, if you have already been working with a marketing agency, you understand or you know how expensive it is, how capital intensive it is, and how good the results are, or maybe the results are not very good, or how expensive getting a lead is. So you are maybe spending thousands and thousands of dollars every single month without getting the result that you want to get for yourself. And that is exactly where the real estate marketing software company comes in. What this marketing software company or we at Agent Growth System do is we make sure that you do not need to have a lot of capital, you may not need to invest a lot of time, and yet get the result that you want to get. So I'm Sawan Kumar. I have helped thousands of businesses get and grow online using the software that I am going to tell you about. What the software is, how the software works, and how exactly is it going to benefit you. So you need to be there with me till the end of the video. Like it, comment it, subscribe to the channel. If you want to get a free funnel, a free template of how you can do it all for yourself without spending a lot of money and a lot of time. So let's get started with knowing a little more about the software company, what it does, how it works, and how you can benefit. So what is the goal of any real estate agent? What is your goal as a real estate agent or as a real estate professional? Your goal is to get leads. But does just getting the lead ends things for you? Or does just getting the lead is the only objective for you? It surely is not. So we at the software company, we at the marketing software company, we at Agent Growth System help you with not only generating the leads, but we also make sure that the leads that come in are being followed up. You know, as we all say, fortune is in the follow-up. We make sure, our systems make sure that the follow-up is being done, be it in the form of an email, a call, a message, a Facebook Messenger, howsoever you call it. We make sure that the leads are being followed up and make sure that the leads move towards a point where they conversate with you, where they speak to you, where they set an appointment with you. And if for some reason they do not end up setting an appointment with you because maybe they do not want the services right now, you make sure, our system makes sure that we are nurturing those leads as well. As you all also should be knowing or must be knowing that 90% of the leads who would be coming to your system will not be buying from you today or tomorrow, will not be ready to buy from you today or tomorrow. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you, or whenever you first get in touch with the client, the prospective lead, you create or leave a good feedback. You create a goodwill so that whenever they think of working with a real estate agent, it is you who comes to their mind. And that is exactly what our software company helps you with. If you like, comment, share and subscribe this channel, what I am going to give you is a set of templates, a set of funnels, a set of all that you need to set up your real estate agency business and to make sure that you grow online, getting a lot of leads, making sure that you nurture the leads, making sure that you capture the leads, you nurture the leads, you automate the process, you close the leads, and then you repeat it. So that is exactly what the Agent Growth System is, and we divide it into 5 steps. That is the capture, nurture, automate, and close and repeat. So that's what the Agent Growth System is. That's what a marketing software company does for you. So in the old method of a software company, what did the software company do, or how did you do your marketing when you did not have a software company with you? So you used to hire a digital marketer, a graphic designer, a project manager, somebody to take care of the stuffs, a virtual assistant to take care of the regular stuffs, and so many expenses. But with the software company, with us, what you need to only spend on is maybe about $200 or $400 a month, whatever plan you choose, and you get everything sorted out. You get all done for you without having to spend a single penny. Apart from whatever you pay us monthly, we do not end up spending anything else, and you get everything done for you with the templates, the systems, the funnels in place, the ads, the copies, everything that you need to run your business, to make your business successful. You get it all. So if you want it all, if you want to get the templates, if you want to know more about what exactly this system is, do make sure that you like the video and add your comment, and I'll be reaching out to you. So what are you waiting for? See you on the other side. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.